Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way, a place where you can find multiple recipes using one food product. Today we're making crispy quinoas. There are toasted cooked quinoas that can be used in a variety of ways. I will show you my ideas at the end of this video. Now let's go make it. Rinse a third cup of dry white quinoa until the water turns clear. Skip the rinse if you have pre-washed quinoa. Because these quinoas are so tiny and I don't have an extra fine mesh, so my solution is to use a clean reusable coffee filter to wash them. A paper coffee filter will work too. Cook the quinoa with 2/3 cup of water in a pot until the water boils. Then cover with a lid and simmer the quinoa for 15 minutes. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon oil to the cooked quinoa. I find this helps to toast the quinoa more evenly than pouring the oil directly to the frying pan. Over a stove on medium heat, spread the quinoa into a thin layer in a non-stick frying pan. I separate the quinoa from each other as much as I can. I then flip the quinoa every 5 minutes or so because I want all sides of the quinoa to get toasted. Each time I flip the quinoa, I make sure it is in a thin layer and I separate them from each other as much as I can. It takes about 4 to 5 times of flipping to see the quinoa becoming loose and golden brown like this. Also, stir them often so they don't burn. Look at these beautiful golden brown crispy quinoas. Can you hear how crunchy they are? Separate any clumps after the quinoas are out of the pan and cooled. What do I do with these crispy quinoas? I use them as croutons in my salads. They are also great to use for making this peanut butter crispy bite snack and popcorn shrimp appetizer. I will have videos showing you how I make these in a few days. So come back to see the videos if you are interested. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.